Hey guys, it's Shannon. Today I'm going to show you how to take 3 gift bags from the Dollar Tree and turn them into a really cute Valentine's Day banner. So let's get started. So here is a look at the supplies that you'll need for this project. You'll need a set of gift bags. These are from the Dollar Tree. They came as a set of 3, so it was just $1 for all 3 of those. And they had different styles, so you can choose whatever styles that work for you or for your event or occasion. This one we're going to be using for Valentine's Day. Then you're also going to need a paper trimmer, a ruler, pencil. I've got a hole punch, pair of scissors, and then some kind of string to string it onto. So I think I'm going to be using jute, but this cute twine would work too, or any kind of ribbon or string. So the first thing I'm going to do here is actually cut off the bottom. And as you can see on the back side, there's a crease from where the bag was folded. So I'm actually going to do that on the front as well, and that will give me my cut line. I'm just going to use my scissors and cut the bottom of the bags off. Alright, so now I have the bottoms of the bags cut off, and now I'm going to remove the handles from the top. And now I'm just going to take my paper trimmer, or you could use your scissors here too, to cut off the top where the handles were sandwiched in here. There's some tape, some paper tape in there. So I'm just basically going to cut that part off and give me a flat paper surface to work with. Now basically we have a tube here, and we just need to cut off the front and the back and take the sides off. That basically gave us 2 of each design of the front and the back, and I just want to dovetail the bottoms of these a little bit to give it more of a banner look. So to do that, I'm going to take my ruler, and actually I'm going to use the back so that I don't write on the front, and you just find the middle. So these are 5 inches, so 2.5 inches is the middle. And then I'm going to measure up. We don't want to cut into that circle. So I'm going to measure up about 1/2 inch. So flip it back over and measure up 1/2 inch. And that's where you're going to cut your angle. So to do your angle, you measure from the corner and then to that cross point on both sides. Corner to the cross point, and that will give you a triangle that you will then take your scissors and cut. See if you can see that better. And there is a nice little dovetail for our banner. And then I'm just going to punch a hole in each corner, and that will give us our space to add the ribbon or your twine or your jute. There is one pendant for our banner. So I'm going to do this to the rest of those. I'm going to use my jute to string this up. I've laid these out in the order that I wanted them. I'm actually going to go backwards and put on the one to the right first and work myself to the left. So to add these to your string, you're actually going to go through the front and then back up through the front like this. And that way you don't see your jute or your string on the front. If you like that look, obviously you can do that. I'm gonna hide my jute in the back though. Is a look at the finished banner. You could use the same concept with scrapbook paper or wrapping paper and adapt it to whatever event you have going on and add a little touch of decor. This video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And leave me a comment below. What would you use this for? Where would you put this? On your mantle, in your entry? Let me know. This is on my coffee bar, just a little added touch for Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.